95.
Sorry guys, I didn't realize you guys were there, but welcome back. So today we have another skincare package that came to us to review. We're in a different setting, so sorry if the lighting is not too good, but let's get into this. So we have, it is a skin booster, and I've never tried any of this. I've never tried. They gave us a little information. You have a little charger. So I've never seen a skincare product like this, nor have I tried one. So this is going to be something new for the both of us. It looks like it has a creamy texture, has all the information on there. So essentially this product is going to go ahead and be a skin booster. So the device is gonna look like this. I'm a little scared, guys. Let's see. This is gonna be by Meditherapy. Okay, so let's try this on. I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie. So it's just to pump it on directly to your skin. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pump it directly here. Okay, it looks like a creamy texture. Ooh, okay, and we're gonna test it on the chin first, because you just never know. So we're gonna turn this on, and it's gonna be on level 1 right there. You're just gonna keep clicking it. So we're gonna leave it on level 1, and then it just says to hold it up against the skin. Oh!
What the hell?
What the? Okay, that was weird. It vibrates, and it kind of hurts. It's for sure tingling. Honestly, this is the weirdest product I've tried. Guys, I don't even know. It says you have to use this in sessions, so I guess it's going to take a while to figure out if it really works or not. My chin looks a little red. I'm gonna say this product, we're just gonna set it down. That one was a little scary, but it's okay. The cream on its own was good. It does give you a moisturizing feel, but I don't know if I try this product, if I try to use this again. It's off right now, but it just says to do it in circular motions, and says nowhere near the eye or any area that would be surgically, you know, like if you're gonna get surgery in these areas, don't use it. Which I'm like, what does that mean? But yeah, I think this one is gonna have to stay where the other ones go. Thank you though for having me test this product out. Would I recommend? Try it at your own risk if you like to incorporate fun skincare products into your routines, or if you like trying new things, then cool. Yeah, you can try this. I'd for sure look more into it though. And that's a wrap.